Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Colour-coded Tajweed Rules for Beginners course presented by the Hafiz Academy. This course is designed to help learners understand and apply Tajweed rules practically using a clear and visual color coding system. If you can read the Quran but often wonder whether you are pronouncing the letters correctly, or you've heard terms like ikhfa, idgham, iqlab and qalqala but feel overwhelmed, then this course is designed specifically for you. The Colour-coded Tajweed course is a visual learning system where each Tajweed rule is represented by a specific color. This method allows the learner to immediately recognize the rule while reading, making learning faster, clearer and more engaging, especially for beginners. The aim of the course is to provide a practical understanding of Tajweed. By the end of the course, learners will be able to recognize color-coded rules, apply them correctly, identify the letters involved, and point out Tajweed rules directly in the Qur'anic text. The course is conducted online through the school learning platform. Lessons are live and interactive, and all sessions are recorded so learners can revise or catch up at their convenience. Classes will take place on Mondays from 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. and the course will run on the following dates: the 12th, 19th and 26th of January and the 2nd, 9th and 16th of February 2026. In the first lesson, we introduce the definition of Tajweed and the rule of qalqala. Learners will understand which letters carry qalqala and how to apply the bouncing sound correctly using color indicators. In the second lesson, we focus on the noon mushaddada and mim mushaddada. We will learn how to apply ghunna correctly and identify these letters visually through the color coding system. In lesson 3, we study the rule of mim sakin. We will identify the letters involved and practice correct pronunciation using clear examples from the Quran. In the fourth lesson, this session introduces the rule of ikhfa for noon sakin and tanween. Learners will recognize the ikhfa letters and understand how the color coding system helps guide nasalization. In lesson 5, we cover idgham and noon sakin and tanween. We explain merging letters clearly and demonstrate how the color coding system simplifies this rule. In lesson 6, the final lesson, we focus on the rule of iqlab, followed by a comprehensive revision of all Tajweed rules covered in the course. This session helps consolidate learning and building confidence in recitation. Course material is provided for every lesson. These materials are designed to support visual learning and reinforce Tajweed rules through practice. There are no written tests and no certificates for this course. The focus is purely on understanding, application and improving Qur'anic recitation. The course is presented by Reedwaan Ismail of the Hafiz Academy. The Hafiz Academy has pioneered the color-coded Quran and produced numerous educational resources, publications and learning tools. The course fee is $30, which includes all course material, and this provides access to live sessions, recordings and structured learning resources. For more information or registration details, you may contact Reedwaan Ismail via email or WhatsApp, or visit the Hafiz Academy website.